Hi, this is Alan for Ripperton Resources, LLC. Today I want to announce our newest product. It's a Packout and Wall Mount for a 2732-20 7¼ inch circular saw from Milwaukee. We will be releasing other versions of the Packout and Wall Mount for other models of the Milwaukee circular saw and other vendors' saws as well. Here we have the red version of the Packout and the black version. These are the two colors that we have currently. If you wish a different color, you can certainly contact us and work out a color scheme that you'd like. To install the Packout version, there's retaining clips at the top, just like our other Packout products, and you'll just slide it in towards the top and slide it down, and it's secure. To lift it up, you just push in the tabs, pull it straight up, and it comes straight out. So they're very simple to install. To install the saw, there's two slots on this product, one at the top and then one at the bottom. To install the saw onto the mount, simply take the top part of the saw, push it straight up into the slot, swing it down, and then let it fall down into the bottom slot. And that is held in place. To remove it, simply pull straight up on the saw, swing it out to release it. Straight up, down. To secure the wall mount to a wall, ensure that you have proper wall fasteners to hold the mount in place, because the saws do have some weight to them. A number 8 or a 5mm fastener for these. I'm just using some screws, some deck screws, and just secure that in. Make sure you get it level. Here I'm just simulating what you would do for a wall mount. Do the same for the bottom. The screw holes are 4 inches apart by 7, and the saw basically mounts onto this wall mount exactly the way that it does on the Packout. Push it straight up till it stops, and then let it slide down. And then you can see it's very secure in this mount. So that's our new product. It's the Packout mount and a wall mount for Milwaukee circular saw 2732-20. And again, if you want a different saw, there's some measurements that you would help us make. We'll design up a new version. We'll ensure that it fits your saw when you get it, and if it doesn't, we'll work with you to get it right. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, scanning, and printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials such as PLA and PETG, through engineering materials, nylons and carbon fiber nylons, glass-filled nylons, through high performance materials, and then all the way up to ultra performance materials such as PEEK. About half of our Milwaukee tool mounts are from customer suggestions. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you. We can work with you to bring that application or product idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.